Today we're starting chapter 11, which focuses on the nervous system. This system is all about control and communication, how the body sends messages, responds to changes, and keeps itself working properly. By the end of this section, you should understand how the nervous system is organized, the types of cells involved, and how signals move through the body. Pause briefly and let students settle.
One of the most important ideas in biology is homeostasis. Homeostasis means maintaining a stable internal environment, even when the outside world changes. Your body can only survive within a very narrow range of conditions: temperature, pH, oxygen levels. The nervous system plays a major role in keeping those conditions stable by detecting changes and coordinating responses. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, all working together to help your body react quickly when something changes. The nervous system can be divided into two main functional parts, the autonomic system and the somatic system. The autonomic nervous system works unconsciously. It controls things you don't have to think about, like heart rate, digestion, and glandular secretions. The autonomic system has two branches: sympathetic, prepares the body for action; parasympathetic, calms the body down. They work in opposition, like a biological gas pedal and brake. The somatic nervous system, on the other hand, is conscious control. It carries information between the central nervous system and skeletal muscles, allowing voluntary movement.
Structurally, the nervous system is divided into two main parts. The central nervous system, or CNS, includes the brain and spinal cord. This is the control center. It processes and integrates information. The peripheral nervous system, or PNS, includes all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. Its job is to carry sensory information to the CNS, send motor commands from the CNS to muscles and glands. Think of the CNS as headquarters and the PNS as the communication network. The nervous system is made up of two major types of cells. First, neurons. Neurons are the functional units of the nervous system. They respond to stimuli and transmit signals. There are three types. Sensory neurons carry information from receptors to the CNS interneurons, process information within the CNS motor neurons, carry commands to muscles or glands. Interestingly, neurons are actually outnumbered 10 to 1 by another type of cell, glial cells. Glial cells support neurons. They provide nutrients, remove waste, and protect against infection. Individual neurons are grouped together into bundles called nerves. Some responses in the nervous system are automatic, called reflexes. A reflex arc is the pathway that a nerve impulse follows during a reflex action. These responses happen without conscious thought, allowing the body to react quickly, like pulling your hand away from something hot. Reflexes are fast because the signal often does not travel to the brain first. It's processed in the spinal cord. Let's look more closely at the structure of a neuron. Dendrites receive incoming signals. The cell body contains the nucleus and carries out metabolic functions. The axon carries the impulse away from the cell body. Some axons are covered with a myelin sheath, which insulates the neuron and makes signal transmission faster. The myelin is produced by Schwann cells, which are a type of glial cell. Along the axon are gaps called nodes of Ranvier. These gaps allow the nerve impulse to jump along the axon, greatly increasing the speed of transmission. The neuron is the base unit of the nervous system. Each of its components serve to allow it to perform its role effectively and efficiently, and as a result, allow body systems to integrate and maintain homeostasis. To summarize, the nervous system helps maintain homeostasis. It is divided structurally into the CNS and PNS functionally. It includes autonomic and somatic systems. Neurons transmit signals, while glial cells support them. Next, we'll build on this foundation by looking more closely at how nerve impulses actually travel.